logdir is the X file you it will come with the portable file locker. Don't have to install this file. Download the file and you can lock or hide the file. You can get this file on Google, search on the logdir free. Get this app easily. Or there is the free app store or free apps website available. You can get this app easily. It's named with the logdir. Just copy this X file to the file folder destination, which file or folder you need to hide or from the viewer. I'm putting a simple password to show you. Name with a for PDF file. It is hide it. Whenever I put the password and whenever you need unhide this file, just double click on this folder and put the password and you will get your file. To show you another method, there is a one folder name with 22 and one is file of PDF. I will hide both of this file. Paste the logdir file, double click on it and put the password and click on protect. It will hide the both file and folders. Thank you.